Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I have a fun Bath & Body Works video for you guys today. We're going to be talking about some new 2024 items. I'm kind of over the semi-annual sale at this point, and I'm ready to move on. I'm ready to move on to the spring stuff. Yes, spring in January is nuts, but that's just how it always is. We are gonna start getting in some spring collections, so some tropical scents. They have a new resort line, and they have a really cute Valentine's Day collection for body care. I did go in the stores though and kind of show everything new they had, because the stores have started putting out new candles, new accessories, so I will have that actually probably first in the video before I review the body care, just kind of going over what's new in stores, because they have some really cute stuff right now and some good candles that I'm very interested in, so I'm kind of waiting for a candle sale on those. And then the new body care is probably launching in the next week or two. I don't know the exact date yet. I'm going to be showing you guys all the new stuff for spring so far at Bath & Body Works, new for 2024. So let me go ahead and show you guys my little shop with me first. Okay, in store, starting with the semi-annual sale stuff, they do have pretty much everything marked down to about 75% off now. I did find a couple hidden gems that weren't there before, like this Sweet Petal Pound Cake Body Cream, but there was still tons of stuff left over. They have so much winter candy apple. I did find a coffee and whiskey cologne that was 75% off. That's a great deal on that one. They also had a couple random things over here, some of the men's line. They even had men's deodorants as part of the $4.95, which is really close to 75% off. They did mark down like the Sapphire Moon Prismatic Stars collection, also the Forever Sunshine, Endless Weekend. Those went down pretty quick. The Ballet Nights and Among the Clouds you can now get for either 75% off or $4.95, so pretty much everything is on sale right now. Okay, let's go look for some spring stuff. I did see they put out some spring room sprays. I see white t-shirt again, sun-drenched linen. There's some really fun ones in here for more fresh and clean type of scents. This actually smells so good, the spring clothesline. I think it's coming in a candle too. I'm excited for it. Also spotted a couple new wallflower plugs. They had this butterfly one. This is kind of like some wildflowers. And then they had this interesting box like mushroom one, which I thought was kind of interesting. Nothing super cute yet besides like their Valentine's Day heart one. They have a random guitar as well. Okay, they do have quite a bit of the spring candles out, including the Valentine's Day collection. I love the packaging on this bubbly rosé, the tufted little pillow top that is so cute, but I'm not a huge fan of the scent. The strawberry pound cake candle, how cute is that too? I love this. I hope they come out with a 3-wick in that new cherry scent. Here's a couple more of their springy lunches, just kind of going over. There's some new ones, there's some restocks. Overall, I wasn't like that excited about these. I will say this collection though has some cute packaging. I do want to pick up the Sedona Sandstone once that goes on sale. They also have Valley Rainforest and the Icelandic Blue or Blue Icelandic Waters. Love that packaging. Some more kind of florally designs here. Lots of these candles are very fresh floral, but there is some gourmands, including this hummingbird tea cake. So excited about this one. This smells so good. It kind of reminds me of banana bundt cake a little bit, because it has like a banana and cinnamon note. The honey one, this is the backyard honeysuckle. This one's pretty good too, a little bit more floral, but really cute packaging on that one. And then we have these have a fun floral design, lavender vetiver, we have bergamot and birch, and then blue orchard skies and greenhouse fern. And then this is just a little overview of this collection as well. So pretty. Lots of restocks in this collection. And then they have this kind of more standard line as well, just a little more classy packaging. I really like the wild berry and oob in this collection. And then I decided to check out the accessories. They always have some cute ones for spring. They had this little bee backpack, which was pretty adorable. I was hoping to find some more Valentine's Day ones, but they didn't have those out yet, or they sold out. I don't know. I was trying to figure out what this was, and then I realized, oh, it's a little sushi roll. I thought that was kind of funny. And then they have a disco ball hand sanitizer holder as well. I feel like disco stuff is everywhere right now. Little unicorn bag with the pearls. How cute is that? And then on the other side, there was a couple more. They had this little shopping bag looking pocket bag holder, which you kind of open it up and have the pocket back inside. This lotus flower as well. And then the gummy bears are back. It looks like the ones from last year, the pink, and then there is a new yellow color. So now I want to show you what I picked up at Bath & Body Works. I got the new body care, little sneak peek for you here. So excited about these, but I've had them for a few days and I haven't been able to review them because I've been a little sick and I really can't smell stuff very well. So I got most of my senses back. I would say I'm at 75%. So I think I can give you guys my first impressions. I just can't tell yet how strong it is or how long wearing it is because everything to me is very light right now with this head cold I have. But I can still pick up on what it smells like and give you guys a general consensus, and then I will come back in a week or two once they kind of release everything and give you guys my updated thoughts. But so far I am pretty excited. So let's just get this one out of the way. I know you guys want to know. The Sweetheart Cherry. This is coming in body care for Valentine's Day. You can see I've kind of already sprayed this so much to smell it, but this one I was kind of curious about what this would be like because Bath & Body Works hasn't been doing very many gourmands lately. They used to do a huge bakery gourmand collection at the beginning of every new year, but they kind of stopped doing that last year and kind of created some more fresh scents. So I really didn't have my hopes super high for this one because I was like, it's probably a repackage or it's probably just like a super fruity cherry. But you guys, okay, if you remember my video when I was kind of talking about this scent when it just got sneak peeked, I was like, I hope this kind of smells like Tom Ford Lost Cherry. And it honestly, it kind of does, you guys. So the new Sweetheart Cherry, this has notes of wild cherry, crushed pistachio. You guys know how I love pistachio notes, and also whipped vanilla. So I know we didn't get our pistachio body care that was supposedly coming, but maybe this is what it is instead. I don't know, but I love it. I do love this. It's not the same as any of their other cherry fragrances. The Sugar Cherry Crisp is more of like a true cherry pie scent, and also Firecracker Pop, that's like a bomb pop basically. And then what is their other cherry one? Oh yeah, the chocolate covered cherry one they did come out with a couple years ago. I wasn't really a big fan of that one. I didn't think it smelled good on my skin, but this is amazing. I'm so pleased with this one. If you've never smelled Tom Ford Lost Cherry, it's basically a cherry and almond type of scent, and this is super comparable. Also, if you guys are familiar with the Finery line at Target, they have Not Another Cherry perfume, which is actually a dupe of Tom Ford, which also smells like this Bath & Body Works spray. So we do know Bath & Body Works does like to kind of dupe other big perfumes, but like not mention anything about it. They just kind of like secretly do it, and we kind of discover some fun dupes. But I feel like they probably purposely did that because of the popularity of that fragrance. Like I said, I can't really tell right now how strong this is, how long it lasts, but I will update you guys soon. But if you're just wondering for the scent, it's amazing. To me, this one has this really yummy, juicy cherry note that kind of reminds me of like cherry fruit snacks. It's just so juicy, so sweet, and then you get more of like the hint of the almond in the dry down, and it's so dang pretty. This is going to be layered so well with the Tom Ford or the Finery one. The cream smells just as good as well, and this packaging though is so dang cute. I'm glad I have something that I'm really excited about, something I could see like wanting backups of, and I'm just, you know, I'm happy we have something that really piques my interest starting off the new year. Now this collection also is going to have a really cute strawberry pound cake as well. Of course, we do see strawberry pound cake back about every year, but the packaging is so cute on this one. If you love the strawberry pound cake, it is coming back for Valentine's Day in their collection, but that's really the only type of gourmand scents that I've seen so far for this spring sneak peek. So I think they're gonna have some gourmand scents thrown in here and there, but it's not going to be the majority. I did see that they are having a resorts collection, so that's kind of like their vacation line. It's not quite the tropical scents. I think those are still going to be coming later in the new year, but I feel like a lot of people do take trips around January, February and want something, you know, more resort-like or vacation-like for their trip if they have a cruise or they just are going to a tropical destination. I only picked up one thing so far. This is all my store had so far in the resort collection. This is the Water Lily Springs. I just have the body cream in this one. This has notes of dew-kissed lilies, crisp waters, and clean musk. I know clean scents are very, very popular. They're just, you know, not non-offensive scents that anyone can wear. This one I mostly picked up to review. I was just so excited about it. I didn't really smell it that much in store. I just kind of grabbed it. This kind of reminds me of just like a generic lotion, like a generic Jergens lotion, where it kind of has almost that just clean powdery smell. But it has like this freshness in the opening that makes it a little bit different. I do sense the aquatic notes a little bit more in the background. I'll have to see if that changes once I get like my scent to 100%, because it very well could change. But so far I'm just getting too much of this clean, kind of generic, cheap drugstore body lotion, unscented kind of thing that I'm just not really feeling. Maybe the aquatic notes will come out later. Maybe the spray is a little more aquatic too. So definitely something I'll have to test, but at this point I'm not like super excited about this one. Next up, I was so curious as to what this was going to smell like. This is the Calypso Clementine. I believe this is going to be one of their new signature scents, I like to call it, because this is one that's probably going to release like a big table up front and have everything in the line. Like they're probably going to release a big perfume, probably a candle in this one, because it is going to be a big launch for them. I did see the Sweetheart Cherry has a mini candle though, so that's exciting. Haven't seen a 3-wick yet, but the Calypso Clementine, this is actually quite nice if you guys like fruity scents. This has notes of juicy clementine, neroli nectar, and coastal woods, and this truly smells like a fresh box of cuties. Like the cuties, are those clementines or are they oranges? I'm pretty sure they're clementines. Like the clementines are the mini ones, right? It smells just like you are unwrapping a little cutie, like peeling it. It's so realistic. Like, it's kind of crazy. I was thinking it would be a little bit more perfume-like, but it's like so photorealistic, fresh orange. You do get a little bit of that strong kind of orange peely scent too with this one that keeps it more fresh and not quite as sweet. But I like this one. I think it's pretty. I would definitely pick up a body cream in this one. Am I obsessed with it like I am the Sweetheart Cherry? No, but I do think this is nice, and I think it's in general going to be a pretty nice crowd-pleasing scent. So I'm excited. I don't think they've done anything quite like this one either, but it really truly smells like a fresh clementine. It is nuts. So those are the only like new body care things I have so far. Just really excited about that Sweetheart Cherry, but I can't wait to see what else they are coming up with. I know they have a few scents in this resort line. I want to pick up a couple other Valentine's Day goodies though too. I was looking for that heart cake looking pocket bag holder, but I did not see it in any of my stores. I did find this really cute strawberry pound cake lip gloss though. It's in the shape of a little heart. I just thought it was so cute, so I just used my rewards on this and got this one for free, but it's adorable. I just love the heart shape, and this actually smells delicious like strawberry pound cake, and it kind of feels almost like a lip oil. I kind of wish they would market this more as a lip oil. I feel like that would have been a little bit more popular since lip oil is pretty trendy right now. But yeah, it feels like a lip oil because it's not really sticky like some of the other glosses are, and it's just adorable. So I had to get this. It smells so good. This one was $9.95. I would not recommend paying full price for it. I would definitely use a reward on it if you have one, because kind of pricey for like a little drugstore lip oil. And then the last thing that I picked up while I was browsing in the store, just checking out some of the semi-annual sale things, I did see my store stocked some of the Sweet Pella Pound Cake body creams, so I did grab some of this. When this came out, I wasn't really raving about it because it's kind of seemed to me like a watered down version of the Whipped Rose and Vanilla. I preferred the Whipped Rose one. This one just didn't seem quite as sweet or strong. But since I don't know if that one's coming back, and I love wearing it all the time for layering, I decided to go ahead and pick this one up just so I have a fresh lotion to use for some of my more rose vanilla scents. Like this one's going to pair so nicely with either the Zara Rose Gourmand or also the Mancera Roses Vanille. So I decided to grab that. It was 75% off. Pretty much everything at the sale is marked down now. I don't know how much longer the sale is going to go on. Again, hopefully these will be in stores in the next week or two. I just got mine early because I asked for it, and you know, it's going to be dependent on the store if they say yes or no, because I've been told no a lot of times too. Anyways, that's my little haul. I wanted to go ahead and get this up so you guys didn't have to wait a week for me to tell you guys my thoughts on these new scents. I was just too excited. But yeah, hopefully I can give you guys a even more and thorough review, either in short form or on a long video once they release the full collections. Let me know if you guys know the dates on these, but I'm gonna let you guys go. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.